So Mark, what do you think of the transplant?
It's pretty good. I'm very happy with the results. I should have done it earlier. I'm getting lots of compliments.
And what do you think of Today we're going to present Mark to you. He's 40 years old and had a hair transplant 6 months ago. I'm going to show you his pre-ops. You can see he had a Norwood 4 pattern with balding of the interior 1/2 of the scalp. Today he comes back 6 months later, and you can see that he's got very good growth for 6 months. Turn to your right, please. The other way. Turn your head. Okay, stay where you please. Come forward, go forward. The other way. And look, chin down, sir. And you can see the transition between the transplanted hair, which is still about here, and the natural hair is seamless. It's very high density for 6 months growth. And chin up here. Once again, the hairline is very natural. Okay, turn around here. Just need to look at the donor. And you can see the donor area would have been here, and it's really healed extremely well with uniform regrowth. Okay, faces, please. So Mark, what do you think of the transplant?
It's pretty good. I'm very happy with the results. I should have done it earlier. Been getting lots of compliments.
And what do you think of the density?
It's really good. I look at pictures from a year ago and I can't believe the results.
And the hairline, what do you think of the hairline?
It's really nice. I'm happy with it.
And you said what do your friends and family think?
They really like it. I go to work, like my co-workers make a lot of compliments about it.
And for anybody who's thinking of doing a hair transplant, what would you suggest?
Just go ahead and do it. Don't wait too long.
And the name of the clinic was?
Sure Hair.
Well, we thank you. We thank you for doing the transplant with us. And it's certainly very, very good results with high density, a natural hairline, a seamless transition between transplanted and non-transplanted hair, and the donor area is healed extremely well.
Thank you. I thank you and the clinic for the work.